Alright, so to try and do this video again. Anyways, this is a ts440. Fan doesn't come on as quick as I would like it to. At any rate, there's a modification on the internet that's been out there for a long time. And down here is, you can't see it anymore, but it's R27. Let me see if I can maybe get into here where you can see it. I dripped too much flux on it. Anyway, it's a tiny little resistor. So the original guy had added a trimmer and adjusted it and came up with the conclusion that 820 ohm resistor was good. So I put this 1K in series with it. And what I want to do is I want this fan to stay on all the time, basically, because these things get pretty hot. So yeah, okay, there now you can see the other resistor. And I just kind of got in here and scraped some of the paint off of these, because they're the kind that had the paint on them, and then just blobbed some flux on it and tinned it, and then held my other thing in with these guys here, and you know, just trimmed it accordingly. So we'll see what it does. Hopefully it helps. Another thing that I got in here, this was not sitting on there, and so I kind of reblobbed all that on there. So if you're looking to do the fan modification on the ts440 to make it come on sooner, this is it. It's highly documented on the internet, but no pictures, so I thought I'd make this quick video. So you do have to remove the low pass filter unit, or whatever you want to call that, band pass filter unit, whatever the hell. You do have to remove that. If you have a tuner, mine went bad, so I took it out. But anyway, that's what you got to do.